Hey, Rick and Vicki. Yeah, I want to start with the fact that there are 9 tornado sirens across Spencer County, and 6 of those are battery powered, like this one here in Elk Creek. That battery only lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. So after Sunday night storms and ahead of tomorrow's storms, officials in Spencer County are hoping to fix that issue.
EMS director that I fully support and stand behind made a decision that it looked like the way the storms were coming in that we need to evaluate and the potential of needing to run our sirens at an extended length of time.
That's why Spencer County Judge Executive Scott Travis says the sirens across the county did not go off when the initial tornado warning was put out. According to Travis, the warning was issued before the storm was in Spencer County, and the batteries in the sirens would not have lasted throughout the storm if they had been initially turned on.
I've been told anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes they could run, but it depends on it depends on the machinery.
I feel like we was alerted in time. I do.
It's all time to get to the basement.
Yeah.
We're a family of 5, so we all got our pets and everything and got to the basement pretty safely. So
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. I didn't know the storm was happening, and then the siren happened, and then the storm hit. So it was pretty well timed, at least around here.
While the Spencer County residents we spoke to on Tuesday said they didn't have any issues, hundreds of comments on the Spencer County Emergency Management page suggested otherwise.
Controversy, it's uncomfortable, but controversy is healthy sometimes, and it was healthy in this instance.
Travis now says the county's policy is to run the tornado sirens as soon as a warning is issued in the county. They also plan to upgrade all of the 9 tornado sirens across the county, hardwiring them to run off of electric, not battery power. The decision could be made as soon as Monday. Travis says it'll be the first topic of discussion when the county fiscal court meets then.
Everything has a cost, but safety is worth the investment. And we understand that, and we are going to make those investments.
Now, Spencer County also recently invested in a text alert system. Now, while everyone that we spoke with today said that they got that warning text message, there was a lot of comments on Facebook of people saying that they did not get that text message or that it was delayed. Travis said that issue was with the text alert company and that it has been resolved. But with tomorrow's severe weather, he says that you need to make sure you have more than one way to get warnings or alerts if there is severe weather tomorrow night. Live in Spencer County, I'm Addie Miners, WLKY News.
Thanks, Addie.